Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your MacBook password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you want to update your MacBook password, you want to change your MacBook password, it's very simple. So you can go to your system preferences on MacBook. Select on security and privacy. And from here, there's an option change password. You can select on that. You can enter your old password. And now you can enter your new password that you want to update to your MacBook. You can confirm your new password. You can enter in here. And you can add hint for your new password. Now, select on change password. So now you have changed your password. You have update your MacBook password so your MacBook will be more secure than before. It's very simple, right? So that is how to update your MacBook password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.